If you're looking to work with a software developer, the chances are good you've heard the term Scrum a lot. That's good because a lot of people are using it. If you don't know what it is, don't worry, Enspire Software is here to help. At its most basic level, Scrum is a method of software development where we handle development in small, manageable sprints, rather than one big daunting project. Each sprint results in functional software, which means we can make meaningful decisions about the project while it's still in progress. Need a better idea of Scrum? Imagine you were creating a painting. In the traditional waterfall development, the entire project is completely planned out from start to finish before developers start building it. So right now, we'll start in the top left corner and get that entire section completely done. With Scrum development, the first thing you'll do is create a base version, then build it up. So we'd start out with a sketch. Then you're free to take a step back and look at it. Not perfect? Maybe you want to move the hand and reposition the head. Back over in the traditional way, we're making more progress. The top corner is done and we continue to work. Or maybe I'm working on the top left while you're working on the bottom right. On the Scrum side, the layers are continually getting built up, adding more beauty and functionality to the final product. But what if you're not in love with the hair? With waterfall development, you'd have to go back and rework that entire portion, which might push the rest of the project back a little bit, or a lot. With Scrum, it's a matter of changing it as you go. Smaller incremental changes that lead to your final product. One of the great things about Scrum is the constant feedback and collaboration which let you craft the final product into what you want it to be. But what if you need to stop production for whatever reason? Money, time, natural disaster, whatever. Can you use what has been developed? This painting is only slightly over halfway done. It's incomplete. You're probably not going to hang it on your wall, and talking about software, it's probably not going to work. But with Scrum, each iteration is a complete project. Everything that's included in the software after each cycle works. Later, if you want to add more features and functionality, or just paint, it's easy. We can pick up where we left off and add anything you'd like. It's a better alternative than just trying to finish what was already started. The Enspire process looks like this. Our clients consult with our project managers. They then give the project to our development teams, who organize and design the plan for the current sprint. That same team begins building the entire sprint over the next 2 to 3 weeks. After it's built, user testing begins to catch any bugs and verify the project works as it should. The project is then delivered to the client, who is able to review and provide feedback before the next cycle begins. This cycle continues until we finally have the finished product that we and our clients are happy with. That's Scrum. It's a little confusing at first, but in the end, it just makes sense. No shock, no surprises, only Scrum. To find out more about Scrum and what Enspire Software can do for your custom software project, visit us at enspiresoftware.com.